Okay, hello once again from Japan. Today is June the 15th, and here we have a 2008 September Toyota Vellfire. It's the GGH20, so it has a 3.5 V6 engine, and it only has 13,000 miles, I believe, 21,000 kilometers. Anyway, very low mileage, very clean. It's a grade 4B from a Toyota auction and a Toyota dealer. One owner with obviously full service history on 21,000 kilometers. Anyway, very clean, very low mileage. It's an 8-seater, and let's take a look at it. It's very clean, as you would expect for a 4B from a Toyota auction. It's got the front fogs, it's got the parking sensors, factory 17-inch wheels with very good radial tires, 2018 radial tires all around, winker mirrors and the proverbial window visors, and it also has easy access on all the doors, I believe. Nice and clean all around. Proper, well cared for car with very little use so far. Sorry, the sun comes out, so we get a little bit of shadow. But, it's the V6. Nice clean corners across the bumper. It's the Vellfire rather than the Alphard. Basically the same car, just different front. Yep. And Toyota do that. They have two main retailing outlets, and they both do the same cars with different names and different configurations. Nice and clean inside. As usual, accompanying this video is about 60 photographs of the car, including comprehensive shots underneath to show how clean it is underneath. Okay. Nice and clean. All the wheels are the same, nice clean wheels. I normally show the bottom of the doors because that's where, if you're going to get scratches, normally that's where they are. Of course it can be higher up, but it also has, when you open and close the car, it has automatically folding mirrors, which is convenient, and they open when you unlock the car. 2008 September, so on a 58 plate, wouldn't it be on a 58 plate? All the chrome HID AFS lights, chrome front cameras. This one has cameras all around. One of the reasons for that is it has what's called parking assist, which is a system using the cameras and the sensors that allows the car to park itself for those who my Japanese guys use it. Personally, I mean, my cars I don't have it. Don't know if I'd use it, but yeah, it seems to work very well. Seems to work very well. Okay, let's take a look in the back. So, if you're going to open the back sliding doors, you have to unlock it. It doesn't have dual power slide doors. And where's the other one? Oh, sorry, that's the key upside down. Just really nice, clean interior. Obviously, with only 21,000 kilometers, 13,000 miles, it hasn't had much use. Headlinings all clean, 8-seater, and the way these seats are configured is the bolster goes up like that. You need two hands to do this. Okay, sorry. And here's the back. Really nicely cared for car. Okay, this time I'll get the right doors open. Nope. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's take a look in the front. Has the usual front, side and curtain airbags, which actually all these 20 series, they all have that. It's a standard component on the car. And this one, it has power seats, both front seats, the driver and the passenger seats have power controls. And the carpet. Here you have controls for the mirrors. So this one's on auto, so they automatically open and close. And the AFS on-off light. The driver's seat has memory settings. If you have, if you have more than one driver. Can be convenient if your spouse drives the car or your partner or whoever. Okay, then just very nice, fresh interior, just really good. Okay, let's start it up. You can see all the warning lights are off, showing 21,900 kilometers, which I think translates to, if I'm not mistaken, 13,000 miles. So literally very low mileage. There's rear camera, and I don't know where the other camera controls are, but it has cameras on the front. Anyway, sorry, can't find them. It's positively a non-smoker car, which is important for a lot of people. It has various. You've got your manuals inside there, and some other things. I'm not sure what they are. And it's got this optional center box, which has 2 cup holders, and that slides forward and reveals another box back here, another large storage box which goes all the way inside there, which is, yeah, it's very convenient, especially in these days of carrying all these masks and everything else you need to survive. So supposedly anyway, it has cruise control, and the leather is perfect. The steering wheel is fine. On some of these, we're finding on some of the 20 series, the veneer on the top here tends to get a bit scratched up, so this one's perfect. If it's scratched, we replace the steering wheel, but this one is just perfect. And it's got audio controls here and phone controls over here, Bluetooth phone controls on the other side. What else does it have? The power door controls are up here for the to control the slide doors from the inside rather than from the keys, from the smart keys. It comes with 2 smart keys. It's we make sure that pretty much all cars come with 2 smart keys, and it's a lot safer than just having one. And the headlining is very clean, up front as well as the rear. And yeah, I think that's about it for the interior. It's, I'm forgetting anything? Probably. Cruise control, parking assist, yes, and power front seats. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, let's take a look at the engine compartment. Oh, there's the camera button. Just found it over here. We do a large variety of models, and I can't remember all the details. Okay. Just nicely maintained. What you would expect for the mileage. Again, it's the V6 3.5, so it's a very smooth drive. Personally, yeah, I like that engine. In fact, I have it in the same, this Lexus has the same engine. Slightly different power ratio, mind you, but still. Anyway, let's take a look at the auction sheet. As mentioned, it came from a Toyota auction. In fact, an auction, the local auction to our office here, which is only about 20 minutes away. It's a grade 4B. B is the interior, and it's a 20 Heisei 20, translates to 2008 September, 21,900, which converts to 13,000 miles. Vellfire, and there's no comments here. It's first time in an auction. Yeah, it's a one-owner car with full service. The service history will come with the car, with the paperwork, and not much comments. It does mention a little bit of rust underneath, but please take a look at the photographs. You can see for yourself that there is nothing at all, basically. And it made a couple of comments about the interior. Nothing, then again, nothing of significance at all. Sometimes it seems they just have to write something. They don't want to leave a blank space. The P2 on the roof, the plastic rear spoiler is faded on the top. If you would like us to have that painted before shipping, we can oblige. That would be no problem at all. That is the only part of the car that requires paint at all. And it's not uncommon for the top of the spoilers to fade. They obviously get quite a lot of exposure. So yeah, that's as you can see, even the passenger seat has power controls, and an Ottoman seat for the front, like the rear ones. Okay, so just really nice, mint, very low mileage example. Somebody looking for just a really good example of this model. There aren't a lot around, obviously, with this kind of mileage. Not a lot of people don't use their cars. So there you have it. A 2008 September Vellfire 3.5 V6 with 13,000 miles. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we're hoping this car will find a very satisfied new owner. Thank you. Bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.